Have you ever wondered where rubber comes from? It's everywhere, in your car tires, in your shoes, even in your everyday household items. But did you know it all starts with a simple tree? Today, we'll take you on an incredible journey from the rainforest to the factory to uncover the fascinating process of harvesting natural rubber and turning it into the products we use every day. Get ready to see how liquid latex from a tree becomes the rubber that powers our modern world. Let's dive in. Without agriculture, it would be impossible to develop the chemical, machine building, fuel industries, etc. Agriculture has made an important contribution to the civilization and development of countries. Thus, the branches of agriculture are closely related and interdependent, each of them needs the development of the other for its own prosperity. It was the Indians of South America who were the first to wear rubber shoes. The brilliant Indians noticed that if you make an incision on the bark of this hevea, rubber, tree, a tropical plant that is found in Indonesia, Malaysia, and South America, then milky white juice appears on the surface, which, when solidified, has the properties of rubber. It was the Indians of South America who discovered its unique properties and found application for it. To do this, they put their feet under the dripping juice. It froze and waterproof shoes appeared on their feet. The sap of the tree is called white gold by the inhabitants of the tropics. The scientific name is natural latex, rubber. To this day, the inhabitants of Indonesia, Malaysia and South America collect juice from this unique hevea plant, and plant large plantations of these trees in order to collect juice from them later. Natural rubber is obtained from the sap of trees, Jeffsea, sequoia, cinchona, ficus, pine. In the latter, this craft has been lost and forgotten, having been replaced by synthetic rubber. In the 1920s, the USSR was one of the first in the world to develop synthetic rubber production, not wanting to depend on expensive imports of natural rubber. Today, about 94% of natural rubber is produced in Asia, with Thailand and Indonesia being the main exporters, supplying over 60% of the world's rubber. Rubber production is growing by leaps and bounds. Look at the numbers. In the 1960s, 2 million tons. In the early 1990s, 6 million tons. In 2018 to 14 million tons. And every year it grows progressively. The most important rubber-producing countries after Thailand and Indonesia are Malaysia, followed by China, India, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Sri Lanka, and the West African states of Nigeria, Côte d'Ivoire, Cameroon, and Liberia. Friends, if you liked it, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. As this video will gain 1,000 likes, I will release a similar video, and we continue. The Fast Autonomous Sprayer, developed by Feta and Kubota, is an innovative solution for farmers that is in great demand today. Fast offers autonomy, remote control, smart AI system, cost-effectiveness, efficiency and uninterrupted operation. This unit radically changes the approach to treating fruit trees with pesticides and other tasks on the farm. Fast is equipped with an artificial intelligence system that includes sensor cameras. Thanks to AI, which detects the position and shape of trees, the volume of pesticides sprayed is optimized in real time based on the collected data. This reduces pesticide consumption and environmental burden, as well as reducing exposure of farm workers to pesticides. Fast operates autonomously using cameras and sensors to reduce the number of workers involved in the pesticide spraying process. This eliminates the need to hire skilled workers and ensures precise dosing of pesticides, which helps reduce production costs. The 4x4 traction system ensures smooth driving, precise turning and precise positioning of the Fast. Current treatments are monitored and displayed on Feta's Digital Agronomic Management Platform, SCP. In addition, Fast sends alerts in the event of an incident or out-of-range parameter, including empty atomizer and diesel tank detection for autonomous return for refueling. Self-propelled sprayers of the Higi STS series are used in agriculture for highly efficient and accurate spraying of crops. Higi Manufacturing Company, together with John Deere brand equipment, has developed a line of sprayers of the Higgy STS series, STS-12, STS-16, STS-20. One of the key features is their hybridity and versatility. They can be used to spray herbicides, insecticides and fungicides, making it suitable for a wide range of agricultural applications. Combining all the ingenious solutions that have been going on since 1933 by founder Ray Hadji and advanced technology with high performance, providing efficient and accurate spraying of various crops. The sprayer can quickly and efficiently cover large areas thanks to powerful John Deere PowerTech engines delivering power from 300 to 400 horsepower, optional ExactApply nozzle control system and power spray solution system with pressure recirculation. The Higgy STS is also equipped with standard JD-Link telematics, as well as a built-in Starfire 6000 GPS receiver, 4th generation command center display and auto-track navigation, a GPS system with mapping technology for accurate spraying. It can create detailed field maps, identifying areas that require specific treatments and adjusting spraying accordingly. This ensures that the right amount of chemicals is applied to each specific area, minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. Higgy STS sprayers are equipped with tanks from 4,500 to 7,500 liters and an advanced aluminum-steel hybrid boom system, 1827, 1830, 1836 or 21/40ths of a meter, 60/90, 60/100ths, 60/120 or 70/130 of a foot for precise droplet application on crops. Automatically adjusts spray height and pressure based on crop height, providing optimal coverage and minimizing drift. And helping to maximize spraying efficiency while minimizing any potential damage to neighboring crops or the environment. Slope Master is a professional remote-controlled lawn mower designed to work on slopes up to 60 degrees steep and in hard-to-reach places. It is equipped with a crawler track, which ensures high maneuverability and strength when working on various types of soil. It is equipped with a powerful 4-stroke V-shaped 2-cylinder gasoline engine Kawasaki FR691V with a power of 20 horsepower and 15.3 kilowatts. The fuel tank is 5.1 liters. And the convenient remote control makes operating the machine a fun experience that ensures safety and convenience for the operator. The New Holland Big Baler 1290 is a large square baler for baling large volumes of hay and straw. It is part of the New Holland Big Baler series, known for its efficiency, durability and high-quality bales. Big Baler 1290 offers advanced features and technologies to ensure optimal performance. The Big Baler 1290 is designed to handle large volumes of plant material, allowing for faster baling and increased productivity. This baler produces square bales that are easier to stack, transport and store compared to round bales. The Big Baler 1290 can be equipped with a crop cutter system, which uses a series of knives to cut plant material before baling it. This is especially useful when baling straw and other crop residues. Advanced IntelliCruise technology automatically adjusts baler speed based on straw, hay conditions and bale size to ensure consistent bale density and shape. The Big Baler 1290 is designed to provide easy access to key components, making maintenance and repairs more convenient. The New Holland Big Baler 1290 is a reliable and efficient baler capable of handling large-scale baling operations. Its advanced features and technology make it a popular choice among farmers and agricultural contractors who require high-quality bales and increased productivity. The Oxbow 8430 Combine is a powerful and efficient machine designed for harvesting various crops, including corn. It is equipped with advanced features to ensure optimal performance and productivity in the field. The Oxbow 8430 Combine is often paired with a 6-row Oxbow 3630 header, specially designed for corn harvesting. This header features specially designed collection chains and stalk rollers to efficiently and gently collect corn stalks and deliver them to the threshing system. The combine is equipped with a reliable 6-cylinder John Deere 6090H diesel engine with a turbocharger capacity of 9 liters and a power of 350 horsepower. With a fully hydrostatic transmission with 4-wheel drive and axle disengagement. It can handle tough field conditions and heavy loads. It is also equipped with a trailed grain bin with a capacity of 19 cubic meters for storing harvested corn, which reduces the need for frequent unloading. The Oxbow 8430 Combine Harvester also boasts advanced harvesting technologies, including GPS guidance systems and automated control for precise, clean harvesting. This allows farmers to optimize productivity and minimize crop losses. The Oracle MP2000X is an agricultural compactor designed for compacting various types of agricultural materials, and is used for compacting baling crops such as hay, straw, silage and other biomass materials. The compactor is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system that allows you to effectively compress materials and requires a tractor power of at least 120 horsepower. It features a large loading chamber into which the plant biomass is placed and hydraulic cylinders apply 280 bar of pressure into the chamber, compacting the materials into tight bales. The Oracle MP2000X series offers a number of benefits to farmers and agricultural businesses. Firstly, it helps reduce storage space requirements by compacting materials into dense bales weighing between 400 and 1400 kg. And measuring 115 by 120 centimeters in diameter, which can be easily stacked and stored. This can be especially useful when storing large quantities of crops or biomass materials. In addition, the compactor helps maintain the quality of plant material by reducing the risk of spoilage. By compressing materials tightly, it minimizes air pockets and creates an anaerobic environment that slows down the decomposition process, and preserves the nutritional value of crops or biomass, which is very valuable for maintaining a healthy development of farm animals. Installed on a tractor or other agricultural equipment, which simplifies transportation and operation in the field. Withstands harsh farming conditions. Don't forget to subscribe to our craft channel to stay updated and share this video with your friends who might be interested in this topic. Thanks for being with us. See you soon in our next videos.